Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to conclude this exercise 7b from Indices. Okay, so let's begin with the first question for the day. So the first question is on the screen, which says solve this particular equation. So whenever you are asked to solve, basically you need to find the value of unknown. For example, here we have got x, here also we have x, and here also we have x. So basically we need to find the value of x here. Okay, let's begin then. Okay, so this is given to us. All right, now if you see here, what I can do here is I can write this 4 as 2 square, 0.5 is half, isn't it, and 1 by 8. So this 8 can be written as 2 cube. Okay, now next step, you need to multiply the powers. So 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 1 is 2. All right, now how much is this actually? 1 by 2 is 2 to the power minus 1, isn't it? So 2 to the power, how much is there? See, I am talking about this. Okay, so it becomes 2 to the power minus 1. So this minus 1, the power, and this has to be multiplied, isn't it? So that's why you get minus of this one. When you multiply with minus 1, you get minus of this much. Okay, and similarly this is 2 to the power minus 3, this goes up, and outside we have minus x as a power. Okay, now let's open up the bracket. So you have 2x minus 2. Okay, now this becomes minus 3 minus into minus is plus 2x. So minus 3 plus 2x, and since here the bases are equal, this is 2, this is also 2, the powers will get added. So that's why you get 2x minus 2 minus 3 plus 2x. Okay, so that's what you get in the power here, and here it becomes minus into minus is plus 3 into x is 3x. Now if you observe here, what happened here is we have 2x plus 2x is 4x, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Okay, now since the bases are equal, what does this mean? This means that the powers are also equal. So that's why we have 4x minus 5 is equals to 3x. So in order to find the value of x, now your work is very easy. Bring this 3x out here and take this 5 to the right hand side. So you get 4x minus 3x equals to 5, and from here 4x minus 3x gives you x, isn't it? So that's why the value of unknown, that is x, turned out to be how much? 5 in this case. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's have the third question. Okay, solve number 3, question number 14. So here also you need to solve and find the value of unknowns. Before that, let me search where is unknown. We see that the unknown is present in this corner. Okay, so let's begin then. Okay, so remember this is into. Okay, now what am I doing here is, see here carefully. So 81 is factorized. So whenever you factorize 81, you get 3 to the power 4. Okay, 32, factorize 32, you get 2 to the power 5. So 1 by 2 to the power 5 is 2 to the power minus 5, isn't it? Plus x. Now you know 2 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 in fact is always 1. So we don't have any role of this. Okay, now 1 by 2 can be written as, or else what you can do here is, this to the power minus 1 means if you make this power positive, that is positive is plus 1, then what happens? This will invert itself. So by inverting you get 2 by 1, isn't it? And what is 2 by 1 actually? It is just 2, isn't it? So that's why this whole entire thing is how much actually? It is 2, is equal to, as I said, this is 1, so there is no role of this, so is equal to 27. Okay, now you know this is 3 to the power 4, right? So 4 into 3 by 4 is 4 into 3 by 4. Okay, now similarly, I'm sorry, I have written down the same step again. Okay, fine, it's okay. So here we see that 4 and 4 gets cancelled, so we have only 3 here, isn't it? So here also what happens? 5 and 5 gets cancelled when you multiply, so you get minus into minus becomes plus, so you have only 2, so it is 2 to the power 2, and x into 2 is how much? It is 2x is equals to 27. I hope this step is clear. So 3 square, I'm sorry, 3 cube is 27, 2 square is 4. Okay, so please be careful with the sign is minus and 2x is written in front. Okay, so 27 and 27, both of them has the same sign, isn't it? Okay, so if they have same sign and if they are lying to opposite sides, for example, this is in the left hand side and this is in the right hand side, so you can directly cancel them. Or if you don't want to do that, you can take this 27 over there, this plus becomes minus, so here you get 27 minus 27, again they will get cancelled, and this minus 4 goes over there, becomes plus 4. Okay, so the value of 2x is 4 here. So if x is 4, 2x is 4, then the value of x is always 2, isn't it? So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so let's have the last question for the day, and with this we close by giving few homework. Okay, so here we need to solve this. So before that, let's get rid of this bracket. So let's multiply with 3. So you get 3 into 2 to the power x is 3 into 2 to the power x plus 3 into 1 is 3. So you have minus, now 2 to the power x plus 2 can be written as 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2. Okay, because when you multiply these two, you get ultimately 2 to the power x plus 2 only. So plus 5 is there, so this is equals to 0. Now see here carefully. Now we have 2 to the power x here, here also we have 2 to the power x. So if I take 2 to the power x common, so from here we have 3, right? And from this part, how much is there? So minus is there, and 2 square is how much? 2 square is 4. Okay, so let me tell you again. So 2 to the power x is common, so from this part it is 3, and from this part it is minus 2 square, that is minus 4. Okay, now we have 3 and 5, yes, so both of them has plus sign, so 3 plus 5 is 8 here. Okay, now bring this 8 over there, so it becomes minus 8, isn't it? And 3 minus 4 is how much? It is minus 1, isn't it? So minus 1 into 2 to the power x is minus 2 to the power x is equal to, so as I said, this becomes minus, so you can cancel minus and minus here. Okay, and you know 8 can be written as 2 cube, right? Now you see bases are equal, that means the powers are also equal, and this gives me the power, that is the value of x to be 3. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. So your homework is on the screen, so kindly do them and send it to me. With this we close. Thank you very much.